try to kid myself about it. Forget what I don't wanna know. The unavoidable facts are right there, or to show. As I breathe in the air that's choking me, hope fast becoming a lobotomy. There's no other way around it. The walls are closing in around me, paying the cost of being free. While I see these mothers and mothers weeping, still born lovers stuck in retrograde. What have we done to our planet? Rebirth can emancipate these mothers and mothers weeping. Oh, dance pretending we're heroes for ignoring the tragic end. Semantics have cost us decades. It'll get us in the end. Black holes swallow this eulogy of Father Time and his fade. While I see these mothers and mothers weeping, stillborn lovers stuck in retrograde. What have we done to our planet? Rebirth can emancipate these mothers and mothers weeping. Paying the cost of being free, it's consuming me. I try to kid myself about it, forget what I don't wanna know. The unavoidable facts are right here, and what a show it is. As I breathe in the air that's choking me, hope is gone, a lobotomy. There's no other way around it. The walls are closing in around me, and I'm paying the cost of being free. It's consuming me. Wanted no part of it, but it took me. Oh yeah. While I see these mothers and mothers weeping, stillborn lovers stuck in retrograde. What have we done to our planet? Rebirth can emancipate these mothers and mothers weeping. Oh,
The sun is hanging low on the skyline, on the sleepy old Ohio town. And the people think that change is the devil, so the sun is not allowed to go down. And the driver's eyes are glued to the rear view, cause his car is always in reverse. And if you race to where you've already been, then you are always gonna get there first. Yeah, welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Welcome to the town of a sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I got. Every time I open the paper, through the letters to the editor page, the troglodytes who can't keep their mouths shut They've really got me in a fuming rage. The self-appointed king of the virtues, trying to sell us what we threw away. He's a dumpster diving prophet. He could rule the USA. Yeah, welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I've got. So this is what our children inherit. It's what our parents left behind for us. The trophies in your grandpa's old basement, with a thicker coat of rust and dust. I guess there's nothing left to discover, so let's just park our cars and arrest. 'Cause the mission here's accomplished. Don't it feel like a success? Yeah, welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Well, there sure ain't much, but it's the only town I've got. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the land that time forgot. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Welcome to the town of the sundown. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's the only town I've got. Looking down from 20,000 feet, the fields are spangled specks beneath my seat. As the mountains fade, the memories made, they all evaporate. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. The grand terrain is turning gray and cold. My comfy home is now threadbare and old. With a parachute, a quick reboot, can I escape my fate? Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. It's wheels down in my hometown again, and everything's just as it had been. In the days before the sandy shore was spread beneath my feet, Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. My callow heart was once so full of dreams, but somehow I got lost in the machine. How did I become the very one that I could never take? Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Looking up to see the endless stars, the universe no longer seems so large. Am I cursed to stay? Will I go gray? Just wondering what could be. Maybe I am blowing, going, gone, gone away. Maybe I am blowing, going, gone.